Hello, I'm Gary.
I'm Kevin, also known as Kobe.
Hi, my name is Michael.
And today we're gonna give you a tutorial of how to bisect this thing into a 4:7 ratio. So, first of all, we're gonna trace this onto paper. So I'm gonna mark its endpoints. And then I'm gonna connect the segments. Connect the points, not the segments.
Connect the 2 points.
So then, now we have the length of the pink paper. Okay. So now you draw a random segment off one of the endpoints. So
An angle forms.
Yep. All right. And now you take your compass and you mark a random and pretty short distance.
Repeat it for 11 times.
Yeah, and you repeat this for 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do 11 times because 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. We wanted to divide it into 11 parts, and then we get 4/11 and 7/11. So that's how you divide it into that many ratios. Okay. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so now we have 11 congruent segments because we marked them without moving the compass. So each of these segments are congruent. So now I'm gonna connect the 11th mark with the original endpoint of the segment, and now we get this triangle. And now I'm gonna try to make 11 parallel lines that go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 off each mark. And with parallel lines, we all know that corresponding angles of parallel lines are congruent. So I'm gonna copy the angle. Okay. So I take this and I make a mark of that, and then make a mark off here.
Yep.
And then I take this and I mark that side, and I take this, I mark that side. So now, if I connect these 2 points, these 2 marks, the intersections, you get 2 parallel lines.
Yay!
Okay, so now we have 11 congruent segments because we marked them without moving the compass. So each of these segments are congruent. So now I'm gonna connect the 11th mark with the original endpoint of the segment, and now we get this triangle. And now I'm gonna try to make 11 parallel lines that go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 off each mark. And with parallel lines, we all know that corresponding angles of parallel lines are congruent. So I'm gonna copy the angle. Okay. So I take this and I make a mark of that, and then make a mark off here.
Yep.
And then I take this and I mark that side, and I take this, I mark that side. So now, if I connect these 2 points, these 2 marks, the intersections, you get 2 parallel lines.
Yay!
Okay, so now we're gonna continue our drawing. So previously we drew 2 parallel lines now, and then you from each of these you do the same thing. You copy the angle over because corresponding angles are congruent. If parallel lines cut by transversal, corresponding angles are congruent. So after you draw these and you connect the intersection of that and that, you get 11 parallel lines, which we have already drawn. And then after you get that, you put this. Wait, what? You put this pink thing, you put it here, and you trace the marks that you've made on the original length of the pink thing, and Now you get a pink thing that's divided into 11 pieces, 11 congruent segments. Okay, and now you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the middle we put the pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 4 to 7 over here. And so now we traced it on both of them. So now we have a scissor thing with a 4 to 7 ratio. Okay, so now we're gonna copy this polygon over on this sheet of paper, and as we have already done, we match these points, 2 points onto this, and we matched it onto here. So these 2 points, and they reflect onto that. So basically, this is to ratio. But now we need to copy the angles too. So I'll draw a curve on this angle over here, and draw the same curve right here. Right here. Okay. And I'll copy this angle by putting it here. Oh, went through. Putting this thing here and to the other intersection. So I mark that. And I'll do the same thing here. Mark that. And when I connect that, I'll get the same angle. And now we need the length of this thing, and it has to be in a 4 to 7 ratio. So here's when this thing comes in. I'll make this longer, and match these 2 points with these 2 points. And come matches a point, and you. Oh, do it the other way.
What's so funny, man?
Okay, and mark that point. Alright. And now we have this side to this side is a ratio of 4 to 7. And we will copy an angle over here too and do the same thing with the rest of the polygon.